There is a set screw that prevents the adjustable stainless steel pin from moving once set in desired position. You must remove the set screw to adjust the pin up and down. You can then take a standard Allen key to adjust the up and down motion of the pin. When finished adjusting up and down, replace the set screw to ensure that the pin will not continue to move. For left to right adjustment, loosen all 4 bolts with a standard racket wrench and slide left or right. For in and out adjustment, remove the top 2 bolts. You may remove or add one or both of the included shims. You may also purchase additional shims to add if needed. Reinsert and tighten all bolts.